Hello guys, welcome to Geekbuying. Today Lenovo introduced its new flagship, the Z6 Pro. It is the company's second Snapdragon 855 SoC powered phone that has been announced just 4 months after the launch of Lenovo Z5 Pro GT. The Lenovo Z6 Pro sports a glass and metal combination chassis. The AMOLED display of that measures 6.39 inches offers Full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels. The notched screen offers an aspect ratio of 19.5 to 9. The screen of the phone is integrated with a 6th generation in-display fingerprint reader which even works with wet fingers. How cool is that? Also, Lenovo Z6 Pro's display is equipped with features like DCI-P3 wide color gamut, HDR10, blue light filter and full-range DC dimming. The Qualcomm chipset is coupled with 6 or 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage, although there is also a 12 GB of ROM and 512 GB of RAM variant if you want all the performance. The 4 cameras on the back are all lined up vertically. The first one is a 16MP wide-angle shooter, below is the main 48MP snapper with f1.8 aperture, then we have an 8MP telephoto lens and the fourth shooter is separated from the main combo and is a 2MP camera, dedicated for video enhancements. Surprisingly, the Z6 Pro offers us a totally new version OS, ZUI 11. Its base Android 9 Pie OS comes preloaded on the device. For optimized gaming experience, the handset features Game Turbo game acceleration feature. It is fueled by a 4000 mAh battery that carries support for 27-watt fast charging through USB-C. The cold front liquid cooling technology regulates the internal temperature of the device. The Lenovo Z6 Pro smartphone comes in gradient color choices such as red, black and green-blue. The handset will be available for reservations through our website, geekbuying.com. By the way, it will be in global version so you don't have to worry about language or OS issues. Finally, about the price. You can check the link in the description from our site for the most updated price. Again, we'll offer very competitive prices against other comparable phones or websites. Stay tuned. See you next time.